Next up, Spice of Life for Phalanx. In this we need to kill 10 enemies with a single ammo clip and kill enemies using 20 different weapons in the same deployment.
4, 5, 6. Oh, hello, HVT. I don't really want you here. 7. Where's your key, dog? I don't see no key. Yeah. There we go. 10 enemies with a single ammo clip. Now to get some kills with these other guns. Bonk. Swap for my pistol. Ba, 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 ba. Give me your shotgun. Bah. Sure, dog. Players. OPK. Oh, the bots on this map are angry. That's 10 unique kinds of weapons. Or 10 unique weapons, rather. Vaznev, I think I've already used you. Lockman. Sweet, another kind. Bah. OPK. Oh, Kastov. New guns. Oh, fully kitted Kastov. I saw him lock. There we go. Bison. I feel like I'm playing gun game, dude. Get a kill, new gun. Get a kill, new gun. Oh, there we go. New gun. P980. F-Tech Recon. Suppose. Is there another bot somewhere here? Yes. Don't kill him with a gun. 5 bullets. There we go. I suppose I get a kill. That works. Rap. Val, I think I've used. Maybe not. One more unique weapon. That wasn't so bad, actually. Sure, that works. No, the kills that you get count for me as well. All of the missions are shared. There's very few that you need to do solo. And I've already used this, damn. Did that count? Yeah, done. Sweet. There we go. Spice of Life complete. This includes the throwing knife, which is great if you want to use that as another kind of weapon. It's really just a matter of using a weapon and picking up a new one as you go. It's pretty difficult to keep track of what you have actually used, but playing the game for a short while, you should definitely get this done in no time. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.